In this video, I'll drive you through how to do international transfer on the Revolut app. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. International transfers on Revolut offer fast, low-cost money transfers with competitive exchange rates. They provide a convenient way to send money globally without high fees or hidden charges. To perform international transfers using the Revolut app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once you're on the homepage, tap on the Details option, which will bring up your account information. In the following window, scroll down a bit and select the option labeled Transfer in Another Currency. This will take you to a page where you can see your account details, and you'll have the option to select the currency you want to transfer. Then, just tap on the Add Account button. Once you do, you'll be directed to a new page. You may need to scroll down slightly again to continue the setup. After you've added the account, return to the Account Details page. Here, you'll see that the new currency has been successfully added to your account. It will appear in the Details section, making it ready for your international transfer. You can add as many currencies as you want. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds between different currencies using the Revolut app, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction process. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.